Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Stackable Picture Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about a software called Stackable Picture. So this is the Stackable Picture Review, and right now we are on the sales page and it says introducing Stackable Picture, the stackable pictures that will blend in with any of your work seamlessly. World's first ultra creative library of themed stackable pictures with connectable backdrops and elements that allow you can connect with each other to create themed scene work seamlessly with any software. Doesn't make sense to me, so let's try to find some more information. So what is a stackable picture? A stackable picture is a unique and immense cloud library of 10,000 stackable pictures with the background professionally cut out so you can layer them over any background and they will blend in seamlessly. Does it make sense to you? It doesn't, okay? Maybe I can show you practically what all this means, right? So if you scroll here, this is a video for a couple of minutes long. You can watch the video, okay? I will be leaving the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. So if you go below my YouTube video and click on show more, somewhere here it will be saying grab stackable picture copy. Here click on that link and then you will be on the sales page and then you can watch this video. What I want to show you here is this. This, right? So here we have two pictures and this is scenery only, and this is the girl and she has got some jungle behind her. Now what are we trying to do is, we want her to come here on this road, okay? But if you try to drag the whole image on this road, then let's see what happens. Oh, what's going on here, right? So you cut this scenery, you see here? This is what happens. So these are those cut out images. You will be getting 10,000 of them and you can use these cut out images in any background, okay? I'll show you some more examples maybe. And let me see, you can see we have giraffe, okay? We have airplane, and now you can see the giraffe is in the jungle and the airplane is in the valley, okay? So this airplane is the cutout, this giraffe is the cutout, and behind that you can adjust any background, all right? This is what I don't know. So let me give you some let me give you some more examples. Countryside, okay? So we're gonna add this sheep in this tree in this background. Let's see if that happens. Whoa, you see here the sheep and the tree and the background. You see how cool is this? How cool is this, right? Now we have business person, so we have this guy and a laptop, I guess. Here's a laptop. Now this guy and the laptop will come in this room in a moment. See the magic. See the magic. See the magic. Abracadabra. Oh, there you go, right? So now the guy and the laptop is inside the office, okay? So this is how you can create these themes and scenes, and there are plenty of creativity themes as you can see here. So if you are working on any project, you have your maybe video presentations going on, you work in the office, or I don't know, you have a local business, plumber, electrician, whatever, right? So you can go and use these thousands of cutout images and you can use them in any background, and I think review is done, okay? So included with list of unique creative themes, each theme comes with themed stackable pictures plus connectable. I think I've read this. So you can go and read everything here, and let me show you some more examples here of those cutout images which we are talking about. And you see here, these are the chef images, so you can put them in the kitchen, I guess, right? These are pet images, you can put them in the pet house, I guess, right? Okay, you can put them on the sofa as well, as you can see, right? So this is good, this is funny, this is very funny and fantastic. Now we have space, and these are underwater, okay? And what is this, office work, I guess? And yeah, so directions, right? You can use them, anywhere, it depends if you are creative enough, if you are working on some video project or any kind of presentation, you will use your imagination, you will use your creativity to make them very unique and funny. And I recognize these people are from my country, okay? So yeah, our life together, matching elements, old dynasty, okay. Music muscles, right? So there are so many. You can see here, you can take a look at all these cutout images, and I'll talk about the pricing in a moment. So I think it's a good one-time investment if you want to, just download all these files and maybe save it on your computer and use them in the future. It's a one-time cost only. Before that, let's talk about FAQs. So images licensing, can I use them for commercial purposes? Yes, absolutely or absolutely. All these images come with commercial rights, so you can use them in your personal or commercial project, which means that either you go and use it for yourself, or you go and use it for your clients videos or presentations, right? However, please note, these images are clipped by our own team and they are copyrighted by us, so you are not allowed them to resell as it is. So I mean, you can't sell the pictures, but you can use them. Okay, are the images compatible with my software? Oh yeah, they are PNG images, so they are. Do I get unlimited access and downloads to the library? Yes, if you purchase during the blah blah blah, you get it. How will I receive the access? Email, login details. Where can I get help? Go and use this link, online help desk, and you can raise a support ticket. Okay, so sales page was pretty short and cool, and everything you need to see is available on the sales page. You can go and see if you want these images or not. The pricing, I think, is starting with $22. Okay, let's talk about some OTOs here. So we have OTO, it shows 27. I'm not sure about the pricing. It could be 27 or maybe 22. So the front end will be something this is what you will be getting. Then you have OTO number 1, which is picture ultimate upgrade, which is for 47. Okay, triple X OTO 2 for 67. Okay, you're gonna get some triple S pictures? No, I'm joking, right? Am I joking? I'm joking all the time. Selling for 67. OTO 3 ninja combo. Ninja combo, and what else? OTO 3, OTO 4. So you can take a look. I really don't need to explain anything because I don't know what to explain here. So this is what you'll be getting in OTOs. OTO 4 is this. Okay, so these are the elaborate features of OTO 4. 3, 2, 1, done, right? So these are the OTOs, and if I go here, come here, you can see Stackable Picture 27, okay, then 47, 67, and 67 and 27. So these are the videos. I think we're done here, right? So the demo is, there's no demo, okay, the review is done. Stackable Picture, good to go. Go buy from a link here, okay? And if you have enjoyed the review, you know what to do. You know your exercise. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. All of this is free, okay? Subscribe is free, like is free, and this button is for you people, not for me. So if you go and start your own YouTube channel tomorrow, you will have to ask other people to subscribe to your channel, right? So if your fingers are not flexible, if they're jammed, this is a good exercise for you. Use your finger to subscribe to my channel. Use your thumb to go and like the video. It's free, by the way. And if you like my content, if you don't like my content, and if you want to support this channel in either way, hit this thanks button and you can leave your super colorful comments using the super thanks button. Okay, this was Stackable Picture review. Now, who will use these pictures? Either you are a student, you are a kid, you are a local business, you're a freelancer, you're some professional, or you're working with some presentations and videos. Okay, so you may go and use this, but if you are here only for making money online, if your end goal is only to make money with videos, then probably you carry on watching the video till the end, because right now I am going to show you how to make money with YouTube videos for rest of your life. Because if you see this link here, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Okay, this Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube for rest of the life, and exactly do what I do right now. Because I make these videos and you people are watching these videos, and especially you people are watching some ads in my videos. And the more people see those ads, the more money this video is going to make for me. And this is what I encourage everybody to do these days. Because if you want to make money on the internet for rest of your life without buying or without selling anything, then YouTube is the absolute free platform to start with. All you have to do is get your YouTube channel monetized, and then your job is pretty simple. Go and make videos, grow your subscribers, and eventually those videos will be showing these ads. And the more people see those ads in your videos, the more money that video is going to make for you. Okay, so if you want to know how to do everything what I just said, then you can go and check out Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will mainly help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. Okay, after that, you will see how much you can make, because if you click on this link here, I'll show you how to make money with email marketing and with YouTube for the rest of your life. And if you can master email marketing and if you can master YouTube, you will not need to know anything else in the world to make money online. Email marketing and YouTube are the top two methods to make money. So Stackable Picture, go and buy from our link. You'll find the link below here. If you need these images and pictures, cut out and find these good ones, okay? If you want them, just go and get them. And in case you are here only to make money, then let me not waste your time because I already have wasted, right? So let me not waste your time anymore, and let's click on this Traffic Jarvis and talk about it. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.